Hey everyone, today we talk about comfort. Comfort about the bunk bed because the beds or the mattresses that comes with the trailer. I don't know if you can see, but there's a super thin mattress. Actually, what you see there is both on the top and bunk bed together because we removed the one from the bottom. So it's only like one of these. It's super thin. Like a little child that is sleeping on it, it will be okay. But if you're weighing anything over 100 pounds, you will basically be sleeping on the wood, which is not super comfortable. And so we're going to change that, make it a little bit better. We bought this thing right here at Costco, which is Nova Form Soothing Cool memory foam mattress. It's a mattress topper, so basically you can put that even in your bed in your house on top of your mattress. It's a 3-inch foam, memory foam, and supposedly it has the ability to keep your body cool all night long, so should be good. So we'll put that on top of the mattress, and there's a lining that comes with it that you can wrap all of this together. Dimensions is we need to do some modifications to it because it's a little bit wider than the bunk beds. The bunk beds are about 48 inches wide, and then this thing comes at 54 inches, so we'll need to cut them for the width. On the land though, these are perfect. They're a perfect fit, so we don't need to touch the length of it, but we do need to make an angle for that portion of the bed because obviously it's not the full 48 inches in the front. There's a little bit of an angle, so we'll mark the mattresses, cut them out, and we'll put them back into place, and it should be much more comfortable than the thing that they originally come out with. So we have already taken the measurement, so we're going to go in the backyard, mark the mattress, and cut them out. Let's go do that. So as you can see, the mattress is pretty much compressed in the box, pretty tight, and it comes with that drape there that you can wrap the mattress around into. So we're gonna get out of the box, unroll it, and do our cut. On peut pas juste le popper out. So we've unfolded the mattress and we're ready to cut it. I already put my mark, and I'm going to use, I have a 48 inches metal ruler that I'm going to use as a guide. You only need a good X-Acto knife in order to cut it. I suggest using a brand new blade, as it's not the easiest material to cut through. It's not a piece of wood, but it's not a piece of paper as well. And especially like the first cut that you will make, you will be under the impression that it doesn't cut that much, but like the mattress is pretty dense, so it will require like multiple cut to go through. But just take your time, and even if the cut is not perfect, we'll show you after what it looks like. It doesn't really matter. It's going to be hidden to the side of the wall, and going to be sheets that will be covering everything, so it won't look bad. So I'll do the cut, and we'll show you the result after. So we just finished cutting the mattress. As I was saying, it's not a perfect cut like the factory cut. It looks a little bit like that or like that. That's been cut with the X-Acto as well. It's not perfect, but it does the job for what we need. Ideally, if you can have someone helping you spreading the foam as you cut it, it helps a lot instead of just trying to cut through. Makes it easier. If you are equipped with other tools like a foam cutter or an heating wire, it might be easier to go through. But for normal people like us, a good blade on an X-Acto is doing the job just fine. So that works. This is the before with the stock mattress. Obviously, this is what we're going to change. This thing here is not changing, but this is a stock mattress as we showed you earlier on the wood board. And I don't know if you can hear that, but we're basically William's basically sleeping on the wood board. So William, are we going to change this?
Yes.
Yes. Let's do that. So this is what it looks after. As you can see, a much thicker mattress, much more comfortable than the stock mattress that the RV trailer comes with. Is it comfortable?
Yes.
Yes. So this is what concludes today's video. Like I said earlier, we bought this thing, the Novaform gel memory foam mattress at Costco. I think we paid $70 for it. It wasn't special. There was a discount on it. I haven't been able to find this particular one on Amazon, but if you look for a Novaform king size bed or queen size bed, they are much more expensive than that. So if I'm ever able to find a link either on Amazon or even at Costco for this one, I'll just put it in the description. So on that, we'll see you on the next one. Bye.